Hello friends, myself Ritesh Vyavhare. I am working as a assistant professor in Sweri College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. So we will start Wolff-Kishner reduction. What is Wolff-Kishner reduction? Just simply when we call as a reduction of this C double bond O carbonyl group into CH2 group, that is called as, so CO group is reduced into CH2 group, so that is the reaction, that is Wolff-Kishner reaction. How this CO group is getting reduced into CH2 group, that we have to see in the today's Wolff-Kishner reduction. So let's start by taking one example. So this Wolff-Kishner reduction, that is carried out only on aldehyde or ketones. So aldehyde and ketones, or aldehydes or ketones, can give Wolff-Kishner reduction. So aldehyde ketone contain carbonyl group, that carbonyl group is reduced into this CH2 group, means here formation of alkane takes place, means from keto or aldehyde we will get a alkane, specific alkane. So let's see one example. Acetone is converted into propane, that is acetone ketone is converted into an alkane, that is called as Wolff-Kishner reduction. So Wolff-Kishner reduction, what is the requirement? It requires hydrazine NH2NH2, it requires basic medium KOH, as well as ethylene glycol as a solvent. So Wolff-Kishner reduction, it requires hydrazine NH2NH2, basic medium KOH, and solvent as a ethylene glycol. So let's see the mechanism, how it will be carried out. So this is the structure of acetone CH3COCH3. I have written in different form. So this is the same one, acetone. I have written acetone in presence of hydrazine NH2NH2. So NH2NH2, this structure I have written in different way, same structure NH2NH2. So all of you are knowing why I have written here say in this way, because of the, all of you are knowing here removal of water, पानी निकल जाता है. So H2O is getting removed. So what is the further product? So acetone when react with hydrazine, removal of water, that will leads to hydrazone, formation of hydrazone. So what is hydrazone? This is the structure CH3CH3C. So H2 is getting removed, same N-NH2 that will be getting attached over this carbon. So CH3CCH3, double bond N, single bond NH2. So this is NH2. Okay, this is a hydrazone. So why this CH is written here? For the next step I have shown you hydrazone. This is structure of hydrazone. Further, hydrazone I have written in this way. NH2 is written in this way. H is above and another one H is near to the nitrogen. So why I have written here? See, further presence of KOH. All of you are knowing basic medium, that is strong base is required KOH. So KOH is dissociated into K plus and OH minus. So OH minus, that will goes towards this hydrogen which is present on the nitrogen. So while going, it will carry 2 electrons, and here removal of water molecule takes place. So I will write here a removal of water molecule also. If required, you can write, otherwise no need of writing this removal of H2. So everyone knows OH and H, that will be eliminated in the form of water. So once when this OH can carry 2 electron, during removal, what will happen? This 2 electron that is shifted over this nitrogen. So this nitrogen. So what will be the further? Due to electron presence, that nitrogen will become negative. So in the next structure I have shown here, nitrogen is having negative charge. So further what will happen? This nitrogen have negative charge, H जैसा थे वैसा H लिखा है इधर, CH3 C double bond N NH, only that negative charge is over nitrogen, I have written here. So further in the next step what will happen? This 2 electron, कुठून आले हे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन? हे पहा पाठीमागच्या स्टेप मध्ये 2 electrons coming from this hydroxide ion. So 2 electron is shifted towards nitrogen single bond. So what will happen then? Nitrogen making double bond. So further structure again that will be changed due to resonance. So that double bond is shifted over this carbon. So due to that what happens? Due to resonance, here we can see the resonance. This electron is shifted towards this nitrogen single bond. This double bond or this electron present, that will be shifted over this carbon. So what will happen? Further we can see this structure will becomes CH3 CH3 C minus, why minus? Because this lone pair of electron, that is pair of electron coming over this carbon, so that it will become a nucleophile now. So this N, and then here formation of double bond due to resonance that we have shown earlier. So this is the structure. Further laterwards what will happen? आता इथपर्यंत आपण बघितलं. यानंतर what will happen? See further hydrolysis यानी H plus and OH minus ions are there. So H plus, what is H plus? It is a electrophile, and this is our nucleophile here. So electrophile attract towards the nucleophile, positive negative charge attract towards each other. So जाने दो हाइड्रोजन को इधर. So what will happen further? Further this hydrogen will attack over this carbon. So next structure क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? CH3 this hydrogen is coming over this carbon. So this negative charge गया. इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है रिएक्शन में? नाइट्रोजन वही का वही नाइट्रोजन, डबल बॉन्ड वही का वही, NH वही का वही. So here after hydrolysis we will get this structure. So इधर तक क्लियर हो गया सब? Okay. So let we will see what will happen further. See इसके बाद KOH पिक्चर में आ जाता है. KOH, that is concentrated base, that is KOH. It is dissociated in the form of K plus OH minus. So this hydrogen is getting removed. Here possibility, आता इथं आपण possibility कशी बघूया? ह्या OH सोबत हा हायड्रोजन पण आहे, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव्ह होण्यासाठी, रिमूव्हल ऑफ वॉटर करण्यासाठी. परंतु हा OH या हायड्रोजन कडेच का जातो, याचे मागे स्पेसिफिक रिझन आहे. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट रिझन? दिस electronegativity of nitrogen and hydrogen and electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen. See, there is a loose bonding in between nitrogen and hydrogen, while there is a strong bonding in between carbon and hydrogen due to difference in the electronegativity. So what will happen? Loose bonded hydrogen that will be removed. So this OH will take this hydrogen only, not this one, because of negativity, difference in the negativity. Due to electronegativity, what will happen? This loosely bonded hydrogen bonded towards this nitrogen. So loosely hydrogen bond or loose hydrogen bond is getting eliminated through the OH. So here removal of water molecule takes place. So once when, while removing this hydrogen will leave electron over this nitrogen. So this arrow indicates while leaving from the nitrogen, this hydrogen will leave electrons over this nitrogen. Due to that, what will happen? Pair of electrons that will leave by the hydrogen over this nitrogen, what will happen? It will take a negative charge. So negative charge, what will happen then further? Here we will get a negative charge over nitrogen, here remaining structure as it is. So further resonance will happen again. So what resonance says? See here, this electrons from the nitrogen that will shifted towards this nitrogen double bond, nitrogen double bond. So further, due to resonance, this carbon nitrogen bond is getting broken down because of shifting of electron from this nitrogen to this nitrogen double bond. Resonance structure will be, or resonance will be carried out here, and due to that resonance, what will happen? This breaking of this carbon nitrogen bond takes place. So once when this breaking of carbon nitrogen bond takes place, कशामुळे झालं? इथले जे इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे ते शिफ्ट झाले टुवर्ड्स कार्बन. मग कार्बन वरती इलेक्ट्रॉन आलेले आहेत, म्हणजेच काय, कार्बन पजेसेस निगेटिव्ह चार्ज, आणि इथं काय होईल? ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दिस कार्बन नायट्रोजन बॉन्ड, अँड ड्यू टू दिस N2 gas will be removed. This is minus N2 gas, that is the removal of nitrogen gas takes place. This both N that will be removed, okay, in the form of N2 gas. So what is the further structure? So here, due to shifting of electron from this bond towards this carbon, carbon possesses negative charge, so our carbon will become a carbanion, or we can say, sorry, it is not a carbanion, it is a nucleophile now. So nucleophile, further hydrolysis and addition of water that will leads to the H plus and OH minus ion. So H plus moves towards this nucleophile, because nucleophile is a negatively charged ion, hydrogen is a positively charged ion. So दोनों को मिला दो, hydrogen H plus C minus, that is this nucleophile. So what will happen? This hydrogen is shifted over this carbon. So what is the final structure then? CH3, this hydrogen is shifted over this carbon, CH2, then CH3. So this is our last propane. So this is our final compound, that is a propane, formation of propane from acetone, or we can say in another language, formation of alkane from the ketone or aldehyde. That is, from carbonyl compound, carbonyl is reduced in the form of CH2. That is, in another way we can say aldehyde or ketone is reduced into alkane. So this is our Wolff-Kishner reduction. Once when we will revise fastly what will happen in this. Acetone is converted into propane in the presence of hydrazine, strong KOH and ethylene glycol. So we have written here. So what is the mechanism? Just look out fastly. So this is acetone, hydrazine, removal of water molecule. So due to removal, what will form? Hydrazone. So hydrazone structure is here. So if you want to draw one another structure, also you can draw. I have shown next structure here also, same hydrazone. So further hydrazone, what will happen? In the presence of KOH, KOH dissociated as K plus and OH minus. So OH minus will attack over this hydrogen, but while attacking it will relieve or it will release 2 electrons. From this 2 electron is shifted over this nitrogen, and due to that shifting of pair of electron or lone pair of electron over this nitrogen, that will leads to the negative charge over nitrogen. So you can see this structure. So further what will happen? Resonance will be getting formed. How resonance will be getting formed? This 2 electron from the nitrogen, negatively charged and nitrogen, that is shifted over this nitrogen single bond. Due to that what will happen? Nitrogen, they are forming double bond, and this double bond is broken into single bond and formation of carbocation C plus. So here we will shift, due to shifting of this 2 electron over this carbon, what will happen here? We will get a nucleophile, that is negatively charged species. So here we can see this double bond formation in between nitrogen and this C minus species, that is nucleophile we will get. So further hydrolysis, what will do? H plus and OH minus ion, H plus ion moves towards this nucleophile. So further we can see this hydrogen is placed over this carbon. See in the structure. So further what will happen? In the next step, KOH comes in the picture. So KOH is dissociated in the form of K plus OH minus. So here OH will wants one another hydrogen for the removal of water from this product. मग आता कोणता घेईल? आयदर हा हायड्रोजन घेईल किंवा हा हायड्रोजन घेईल. मग हायड्रोजन हा घेईल का हा घेईल? हा घेईल का? ड्यू टू लूज बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन NH. तुम्ही म्हणाल लूज बॉन्डिंग कुठं दिलंय? इथं डॉट डॉट दिलंय का? कसं काय तुम्ही म्हणाल इथं लूज बॉन्डिंग? तर लूज बॉन्डिंग हे कशावरून ठरतं? इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी. नायट्रोजन आणि हायड्रोजन याची जी इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी खूप डिस्टन्स आहे, वाईल कार्बन हायड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी लोअर डिस्टन्स आहे, म्हणजे इन द प्रपोर्शन्स आहेत. सो दिस कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन हॅव स्ट्रॉंग बॉन्ड. हा सोडत नाही लवकर, का तर त्यांच्यातलं बॉन्डिंग आहे ते स्ट्रॉंग आहे. मग इथं लूज बॉन्डिंग आहे नायट्रोजन आणि हायड्रोजन. सो what will happen? This H from the nitrogen is removed along with this OH, that is the removal of water molecule minus H2. So what will happen? This hydrogen gaya. सो जाते वक्त ये हाइड्रोजन क्या देता है, इसके ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन देके जाता है, तो नाइट्रोजन बियर्स नेगेटिव चार्ज. So further, what will happen? Once again, resonance will getting formed. This lone pair of electrons shifted over this nitrogen-nitrogen double bond, and due to delocalization or resonance effect, what will happen? This carbon-nitrogen bond is getting broken. Due to that, what will happen? This N double bond N, that is removed in the form of nitrogen gas. N2 गॅस. ज्यावेळेस कार्बन नायट्रोजन वरचा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो त्यावेळेस या बॉन्ड मधले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे आहेत ते शिफ्ट होतात कार्बन वरती. मग त्यामुळे कार्बन possesses negative charge, that is nucleophile. So further hydrolysis, once again we will do hydrolysis. पानी रिएक्शन में पानी यूज किया है, तो once again we will do hydrolysis. H plus plus OH minus H plus will move towards this nucleophile. So formation of propane molecule takes place, that is CH3 CH2 CH3. So formation of alkane, that is propane, from acetone will take place. So this is our Wolff-Kishner reduction. Thank you.